Hello class 8, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 2.4 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Here we have to find out the number. So let the number be x. After that, she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Then, she multiplies the result by 8. X minus 5 by 2 multiplies with 8. And this result will be 3 times of this number. How did we get this? First we take number x, after that subtract 5 by 2 from this number, then this result multiply with 8 and the entire result should be equal to 3x. Coming to statement part. Let the number be x. According to question, we already got this equation. X minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Now we have to solve this equation. So this 8 first we multiply with this and x. 8 multiply with x is 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equal to 3x. Now cancel out. We get 4 here. So 8x minus 5 4s are 20. We have already learnt how to solve the equation. So now we are separating variable part from constant part. So minus 20 is equal to 3x. Now 8x we are transposing this from left to right, and here it is with plus sign, then it will change the sign, here it will become minus 8x. Now minus 20 is equal to 3x minus 8x is minus 5x. Minus 20 is equal to x. Minus 5 is transposing from right to left. Minus minus cancel out. 5 4s are 20. So 4 is equal to x. It means the number is 4. Hence the number is 4. Answer. Question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Here we have to find out two numbers. So if number is x, first number, and other number is 5 times of this number, so 5x. If this is left hand side and this is right hand side, then this number is x and this number is 5x. It means 5x is greater than x. It means right hand side is greater than left hand side. Now the second situation is we have to add 21 to left hand side and right hand side. It means x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Now in this, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Here, this side is greater than this side. It means we have to multiply this side with 2 to make it equal. So, x plus 21 multiply with 2. So, this is 5x plus 21. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means x plus 21 2 is equal to 5x plus 21. So this is our equation and we have to solve this equation. From here we will get the value of x here. Now coming to statement part. Let the number be x and 5x. Already we have done this part. So according to question, x plus 21 2 is equal to 5x plus 21. This bracket means this 2 is multiplied with x and after that with 21. So x into 2x is equal to 2x plus 21 2s are 42 is equal to 5x plus 21. Now separating part. 2x minus 5x, we have already learned how to transpose the numbers. 21 minus 42. 2x minus 5x is minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 42 is minus 21. So 3x equal to 21, minus minus cancel out. X is equal to 21 upon 3. We have already learned these transposing system. 3 7s are 21. So x is equal to 7. Now coming here, first number is x. It means we have first number 7. Second number is 5x. It means 5x is equal to 5. Substituting value of 7 here. So it is 35. Hence the numbers are 7 and 35 respectively. Answer. Question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Here we have to find out a number which has 2 digits. So we have to find out here 2-digit number, and we all know that 2-digit number is tens and ones. So let the digit at tens place and ones place be x and 9 minus x. So this one is your x, tens. And what about ones? This ones, this is 9 minus x. Here, original number is 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x, why we are taking 10x here? Because this is 2-digit number. It means 10x plus 9 minus x. This is our first number. So after solving this, 10x minus x, putting in bracket, plus 9. So we have now 9x plus 9. This is our first number. Now interchanging, according to question, we have to interchange the digit. Now ones place will go to tens place and this tens place will become ones place. So here changing digit. So now it will 9 minus x, this is our tens place, and ones place will become x only. So here we have 9 minus x at tens and x at ones. Now coming to our statement that new number after interchanging the digit, we get 10 n minus x. Here this is tens place, 10 n minus x plus x. Now we have to solve this. Now multiply 10 with 9, after that with minus x. So 10 nines are 90 minus 10 multiply with x, 10x plus x. Now variable part, 90 minus 9x. So here we have another number after interchanging digits of the ones from the tens and tens from the ones. So we have new number equal to original number plus 27 if we want to equalize it. So we have New number, which is our new number? We have this one new number, 90 minus 9x. And what was our previous number? We had 9x plus 9. 9x plus 9, and this is adding 27 according to quotient. So this is our equation, and from here we will get x. Now coming again here, first we had to categorize in tens and ones because we have 2-digit number here, and 2-digit number is tens with ones. So first one is x, second one is 9 minus x. After this we get 10x plus 9 minus x. Why we are taking 10x? Because we have 2-digit number starting with 10. So first number is 9x plus 9, and after interchanging tens with ones and ones with tens, we get 90 minus 9x. According to our question, new number is equal to original number plus 27 because 27 is added to original number. Now coming to statement part. Let the digits at tens place and ones place be x and 9 minus x respectively. Therefore, original number (10x plus 9 minus x), which we have discussed here. 10x plus 9 minus x is equal to 9x plus 9. We have already solved here. Now after interchanging, on interchanging the digits at the digits at ones place and tens place will be x and 9 minus x respectively. We have already discussed here. Therefore, new number after interchanging the digits is equal to 10 and minus x plus x. Already done here. So after calculation we get here 10 9s are 90 minus x, which is 90 minus 9x. No need to do again this one. Now new number is equal to original number plus 27, and we had this equation 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27. Now coming to solving portion. Categorize equation in two parts. Variable, here variable part, and after that constant part. Now separating it. 90 minus 9x, so 9x will here and this 9 will come here. After transposing we get minus 9x minus 9x is equal to 9 plus 27 is 36 minus 90. So 9 and 9 minus 18x is equal to minus 4 5 54. So cancel out, x is equal to 54 upon 18, and after cancel we get 3. It means x is equal to 3. Now coming here, second number was 9 minus x. This is first number, which is tens, and coming to 9 minus x, this is ones. So first number is x, this is 3. 9 minus x, which is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So here coming again, digits as tens place and ones place be x and 9 minus x. It means this is 3 and this is 6. So if I am writing here 3 and ones place is 6, it means 36 I got. Hence the digits at tens place and ones place is 3 and 6 respectively. So if this is 3 and this is 6, it becomes 36, and 36 is 2-digit number. The original number is 36. Answer. Question number 4. One of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of the 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? So here we have to find the number. So let the digits at tens place and ones place be x and 3x. So here tens place, ones place, tens place is x, and at ones place we have 3x. We know this, that tens means 10. Here tens place, this is 10, and here x we have already, so this is 10x. It means 10x plus 3x will become 13x. The next situation is we have, on interchanging the place of ones to tens and tens to ones, the number will change. So here second one is, this is 3x, it will become 3x and it will become x. So after interchanging, this is, we have already discussed, this is tens place, it means 10 into 3x. So 10 into 3x and we have plus x. So calculation, 10 into 3x, 30x plus x. So we got 31x. Now, according to our question, original number plus new number is equal to 88. 88 is given in our question. So, original number, what was original number? 13x. After interchanging places of digits, plus 31x, result is 88. So in this way we got this equation. From this equation we will get value of x. So now coming to statement part. Let the digits at tens and ones place be x and 3x respectively. Already we have discussed here. Now, original number is 10x plus 3x, already done here, and we got here 13x. Now on interchanging the digits the digits at, here we have discussed, ones place and tens place will here be done, will be x and 3x respectively. Now, number after interchanging we will get this. So, number after interchanging is equal to, already done here, we will get this thing. So, according to our question, 10 into 3x plus x. Already we have calculated here. So, after that we got 31x. You can see here. Now, according to our question, original number plus this new number equal to 88. So, original number is 13x and new number will this 31x and result is 88. So, adding this number, 3 and 1 4, 3 and 1 4, 44 is equal to 88. X equal to 88 upon 44 cancel out, we got here 2. So, x is equal to 2. Therefore, original number equal to 13x. We already did here. This is original number 13x. So, putting value of 2 here, 13 multiply with 2, we got. But in our question, if we interchange this place, the number will reverse. It means we will get 62 here. It means our number can be 26 or 62. So, statement is, by considering the tens place and ones place as 3x and x respectively. Now interchanging the digits place respectively, the 2-digit number obtained is 62. So, it may be 26 or 62. Therefore, the 2-digit number may be 26 or 62. Answer. Question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So, in this question, we have to find out present ages of mother and son. So, if this is Shobo and his mother, Shobo's age is suppose x, then mother's age will be 6 times. It means 6x. Now, after 5 years, Shobo's age will be equal to Shobo's mother's age, which is 1/3. So, after 5 years, only Shobo's age. We are not talking about mother's age. After 5 years, Shobo's age, it means we are adding 5 years in Shobo's age only. X plus 5. So after 5 years, his age will be equal to mother's age of 1/3. It means 1/3 of 6x. 3 to the 6, x plus 5 is equal to 2x. So this is our equation. Now coming to statement part. Let Shobos age be x years. Therefore, mother's age will be 6x years. After 5 years, Shobos age, already we have here discussed, Shobos age will equal to Shobos mother's age. Shobos mother's age, which is 1/3. It means 1/3. 1/3 of Shobos mother's age. Now coming to our equation. This is Shobos age, this one. According to question. X plus 5. Already we have solved this part. We got 2x. Now 5 is equal to 2x minus x. We have learnt how to transpose variables or constant from left to right or from right to left. So 5 is equal to 2x minus x. We got x. It means x is equal to 5 and x is here Shobos age. Therefore, present ages of Shobo and his mother will be, this age is Shobos, this is x and value of x is 5 years, and mother's, this is 6x. So mother's age, we have 6x and putting value of x here, we got 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30. It means Shobos age x, this is 5. Mother's age 6x, this is 30. So 5 years and 30 years respectively. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.